Welcome to another episode of BusinessMind Learning. Today we're going to talk about contact relations and how you can easily link your contacts together and how this is the proper way to manage your contact database. But before that, let's just discuss on how we may have done this in the past. In the past, combining related contact records into one contact may have been done for the purpose of sending them a single physical mailing. However, in recent times, email and text messaging are a much more common and cost-effective way to reach customers. Emails and texts operate at an individual level, even for customers who are related to one another. So here's a great example of a combined contact record. Name: Tony and Pepper Stark. First name: Tony and Pepper. Last name: Stark. You have a bunch of phones. You have to label them. Tony's iPhone, Pepper's iPhone, Tony's email, Pepper's email. And you get to notable dates. And again, you have to have his birthday, her birthday. Sometimes folks have to combine contacts with even more people. If they have children, all of a sudden it becomes Tony and Pepper and Tina Stark. So where you get to the point where the contact record becomes messy. Let's think about wish lists. Who put what on wish list? How are you going to know? So who bought what? With transactions, you go look at the recent transactions. And again, how are you going to know? How do you know which one of the contacts bought what when they're all shared in one record? And what happens if there's a separation? This old school thought process of combining contact records is no longer needed. So let's take a look on how this should be done. So let's actually go ahead and pull up Tony's contact record. You will note that this is actually Tony's contact record. It's only for Tony. Okay, these numbers are Tony's numbers, so there's no reason to label them Tony this, Tony that, right? This is work, that's his mobile, this is his personal email, this is his work email, this is his birthday. See, just says birthday, no reason to put his in there. Okay, so you could just look up your birthdays, you don't have to figure out how you were labeling them. Very easy. These are his wish lists, okay? Maybe he put something on wish list for Pepper and he doesn't want Pepper to know about it, but he needs to be reminded of that. These are his transactions. So, yep. All the data in this contact card is for Tony. So when you look at it, you know what you're dealing with. Now, let us do a relation. Let's see how easy it is. All right, so let's go ahead and you'll see relations here with a link for link relation. We click that, it pops up a search. So what we're going to do here is we're going to link Tony with his wife, Pepper. So it says search. We click on there and we start searching. We start typing and it starts searching. And we go ahead and we choose Pepper Potts. And the relation, we put wife. And we've completed this. Let's go ahead and hit save. It was that easy to create the relation between the two contacts. So now you'll notice Pepper's a link here. If we click on Pepper, we go to Pepper's contact record. So now this is her contact record with her information, her birthday, her wish list items, all this information, her recent purchases. This is all her. So when you're looking at this, so we created Tony and we put wife on that side. Of course, when we come to Pepper's side, you'll notice Tony's here, but there is no relation set here because we did that on Tony's side. So over here, we're going to put the relation here. So husband. So it is a two-step process. You add the one, and then you click over, and then you just fill out the relation name there. So yeah, and now we want to pop back to Tony. Click on Tony, and they are linked. So let's actually add another relation. Right? So we're going to click on link relation, and Tony is the CEO of Stark Industries, right? So let's say Stark Industries. Actually, I'm wrong. Pepper's the CEO. Tony's the founder. We're going to put founder here, and we're going to save that. Now we have another link. And actually, if we click on Stark Industries, we go to the organization contact record. And again, you'll see that now there's a link to Tony in the Stark Industries contact record. So let's go ahead and put founder over here also. And let's put another relation. We're going to link Pepper, who is the CEO, because Tony transferred power to Pepper. We're going to save that. So now we have another link here, and this is for the organization. Now we're going to click on that. We're going to go to Pepper. You're going to see automatically she's linked to Stark Industries, but we just have to set the relation. And we go ahead and we save. So again, you can see how this is very, very easily done and very easily managed. If you need to remove a relation, you can click the X and it will remove it. So now let's take a look at how this works from the point of sale. Let's jump over to the point of sale and click on customer. Let's just search for Pepper. What you're going to notice is the contacts that were linked together will all display in the search. So even though we typed in Pepper, we see Tony Stark and Stark Industries. This makes it super easy to look up a contact. So let us review one more time the benefits of utilizing contact linking. You can keep couples, families, friends, referrals, and even organizations all linked together and clearly visible, preventing the loss of individuality and preferences of each customer. This makes it easy to measure and analyze the shopping statistics and habits of individual customers. There's no need to struggle with how to label birthdays, emails, phones, or addresses, which will allow you to clearly communicate with a customer about a birthday, anniversary, or other upcoming event. It will significantly help prevent spoiling of surprises planned by a significant other by one of your sales associates. This also increases privacy of purchases between individual contacts. In the event of a separation, the individual's data is already stored separately, preventing any confusion that would have resulted of a combined contact. I hope you all enjoyed this episode of Business Mind Learning, and I encourage you to start using contact linking. Have a good one, everyone.